There's nothing I like more than a home-cooked sausage roll, and Joanne learned very quickly in our married life that the way to my heart is through my stomach. Anyway, today you will find out how Joanne cheats and makes some lovely sausage rolls, perfect for Christmas. And then we'll go on and we'll watch the Brixham Festival of Lights and Lanterns, which is down in the town with its superb fireworks display, which we overlook. So join us.
Goes action. Anyway, a bit different from us today. We're going to do Joanne's cheats. I'm going to make sausage rolls, but really cheating at everything, because it's so much easier on Christmas Eve or New Year's Eve or whenever, you know, you want to do some sausage rolls. People coming over for drinks or whatever. Anyway, buy some pastry that is puff pastry, and it's already like rolled out. And it comes on greaseproof paper, so it's easier to handle. You don't even have to get a piece of greaseproof paper out. We've got the Brixham, I don't know if it's light and is it lantern and light?
Lantern and light.
Lantern and light tonight, which basically is, they have little stalls and that, and they close all the streets, and they have some lovely fireworks. So we thought, right, we'll have a couple of sausage rolls, sit out on the deck with a drink, and we'll watch the fireworks. Well, Steve will probably get his camera out and film the fireworks. Might put that at the end of this video. Yeah. Anyway, so you have your pastry here, and you just, down the middle, just make 16 sausage rolls. And then, so you have to divide it into 16. Doesn't have to be exact, you know, some are bigger than others, it doesn't matter. There's no exact science to it. So sort of like this. As I say, some will be bigger than others. Doesn't matter, it just makes them look more homemade. So there we are. Now, sausages. Now, I've tried buying lovely posh ones from the butchers, you know, the chili ones, the ones with apple, blah, 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 and doing this. But they obviously take longer to cook the meat in there, because it's probably got more meat in it than the, you know, Waitrose supermarkets or Tesco's or wherever. So what I do now, and what happens is, because you put them in and then the meat doesn't cook and the pastry does, and they burn. I've had evenings where we've had people over and I've had to shove the whole lot of them in the bin. It was awful. Anyway, so I just buy ordinary pork sausages, supermarket brand, whatever. And I then take the skin. I don't really like doing this bit. Ooh. The skin off of the sausages. Need 4 sausages for this. Anyway, put that there. Now you can put whatever you want in this. I'm going to use sage, but you could put some what do you call that stuff that you like with cheese? Chutney, tomato ketchup, anything you want, bits of apple probably. I'm just using sage, and I'm just going to go all over like this for my sausage rolls. All over. There we are. I mean, you don't have to, you could use whatever dry sort of herb you want. I mean, you could probably put, I've never done it, but you could probably put fresh and that in, but you know, this is cheats, Joanne's cheats. So anyway, you get the sausage that you've taken the skin off and you divide it into 4. Okay. Oh, by the way, I have got my oven on. I just put the oven on to whatever it says on the pastry box, which in this case was 200, and then I'll put these in for about 20 minutes. So put some sausage. This one got a bit crumpled when I took the skin off. So there's no exact science to it all. It's crumbling away. This one really did crumble up, so I'm gonna, yeah, one bit, got a bit messy this one. Right, Just going to put the egg on the ends of the pastry. Just want it so it sticks really. Doesn't take long to make these. And when you've got them all rolled up, which I'll show you in a minute, you can then freeze them if you want, and then just get them out Christmas Eve, New Year's Eve or wherever, and bung them straight in the oven. Or you can cook them, as I'm going to do that today, and then freeze them if you wanted to. Or you can just get them out of the oven and eat them. Instead of sage gone over the counter. Sorry about my clinky bracelets. I have them on so Steve can hear me when I'm coming. Not really. Again, flicking it all over everywhere. I'd hate to actually be a cooking blogger. I don't think I'd do terribly well at that, do you, Steve?
No.
You're not supposed to say that.
Oh, okay. I always thought I was supposed to agree with you.
Yeah, but sometimes no. Right, so, as I say, I'm going to put this all on there, like so, and just space them out a bit. The fireworks are supposed to be tomorrow night, but the weather is supposed to be so bad that they're doing it today and not tomorrow. So we'll see what that brings. Oops. So a couple of holes in the top makes it look more professional. Right, some egg over the top of them. Clink, 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 clink. Steve was saying, you have to take these bracelets off because they're making a noise. No. I keep these bracelets on all the time. The only time I ever take them off is if I'm going through like airport security, because I have, once in Italy, I was asked to take them all off. And there's two that have got, you know, clasps that you have to undo. It was a nightmare, but that was a story, another story. So anyway, so I keep them on all the time. Right, don't keep anything for best anymore. Too old, 66, too old to keep anything for best now. I just wear it and use it and there you go. Don't keep anything for best, not even cutlery, plates, anything. Just use it, that's what I say. Life is too short. Right, I'm going to put these in the oven now for about 20 minutes. There we go. And then we'll come back and, well, they'll be too hot actually, won't they? But then I'm sure Steve would like to try one. So, see you in a bit. We're done that burnt. Oh, they look good, don't they?
They do.
Right. So they're going to be a little bit too hot at the minute. Right. They are going to be a little bit too hot. So I'll put one there and then got them out of the oven.
Right. Is it time to...
It's time.
Time to test.
I hope I've got room in the freezer for all these sausage rolls. Right, there you go. And let's cook.
All right. Very nice.
Good. I can't talk. So, These are going to go in the freezer now and may come out Christmas Eve or New Year's Eve, I think.
How do you then reheat those? In the microwave or in the air fryer?
In the microwave. They're really good in the air fryer if you've got an air fryer, because they come out, they're all crispy on the outside. They're lovely. So, or stick them in the oven a bit, just warm them up a bit, whatever.
Well, they will do when we have people around over the Christmas period.
Yeah, they will.
All right.
Drinkies and sausage rolls.
And now we'll go on and shortly it'll be time for the fireworks.
Yeah, we're going to go out and it's getting dark now, so
yeah,
the fireworks. I think they're about.
Dark somewhere,
I think they're about 6:30, aren't they? So we should watch those.
7:30 actually.
Is it?
Yeah, I think they changed the times
Oh,
around.
I think I did read that. So I'm thinking about it. So we're going to have that, and we'll have a little drink. What are you going to have to drink?
Yep.
What are you going to have?
Probably have a whiskey.
I'll just have a
It
glass.
warms my heart.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Glass of prosecco. Have you got your gammy nails showing?
Yep.
Oh.
Still not got any better.
Tell everybody what you did.
I thought I had, hadn't I?
No.
Oh, all right. I managed to hit it when I was doing a bit of pickaxing between the pickaxe handle and a rock,
Yeah.
which is not the best of things to do. And it was quite painful at the time, but that was about 3 months ago. And
Oh, it wasn't that long ago.
it was quite a
No, it
while
wasn't
ago.
3 months ago.
You know.
I'd say about, well, barely 2 maybe.
Oh, but it isn't growing. So I suspect it'll die and come away at some point. Anyway,
All right.
teach me for pickaxing.
Yes.
All right.
Right.
See you, folks.
Bye.
At 7:30 we went outside on the decking with our drinks and a couple of sausage rolls on a plate. And it took a while for the show to get started. The band that was on was running a little bit behind schedule. But after about 10 minutes, it was a little bit cold, I must admit, it suddenly started.
Wow. Wow. Good show.